Okay, we have this epoxy floor, and well, our chair has rubbed the epoxy off. We did pick up a mat for the chair. I think it's time we put it down. Okay, so what we got was the Sycoodeal, kind of a weird name, Sycoodeal office chair mat. I will put a link down below in the description to check out. One of the reviews said that it comes apart or it makes a mess. Now, what I saw in the picture of them saying makes a mess, that wasn't the rug. That was you. There was like potato chip crumbs all over the rug. That's not the rug. So what do we got here? We got a piece of paper. I don't care for that. We'll toss that. Unfold it here, and it's supposed to be sticky on the under side. That way it sticks to the ground. A little plasticky, okay. I wouldn't say sticky, but well, I think they said sticky. So let's get that set, and then we'll see. At least it covers up the well, the damage until I can get more epoxy to redo it. Chair rolls nice. Chair rolls nice over it. It'll roll better once it flattens out a little bit, but for now, she rolls okay. And I don't know. Some people said ends curled up. I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it at all. None of my ends are curled up. And we roll pretty good.